Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Solana from MetaMask to Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're holding Solana and want to boost your security by moving it to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need the MetaMask wallet app installed on your browser with the Solana extension added. It's essential for handling Solana tokens. Also, ensure your Ledger Nano X is connected to your computer, unlocked, and the Solana app is installed on it. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get it sorted. Now, let's get to the steps. Open your MetaMask wallet and switch to the Solana network. You might need to add it manually if it's not there. Search for the Solana mainnet RPC details online. Once you're on the Solana network, select your wallet address that holds the Solana tokens you want to send. Next, click on the Send button. Enter the recipient address, which is the one from your Ledger Nano X. To find that, open the Solana app on your Ledger device and note the address displayed. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Typos can lead to permanent loss. Before confirming, review the transaction details like the amount and fees. Hit Confirm on MetaMask, and then approve it on your Ledger Nano X by checking the device screen. You'll see the transaction summary there, so verify it matches what you intended. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation in MetaMask, and your Solana should appear in your Ledger wallet shortly. Congrats! You've just secured your tokens. A quick tip. Always use the latest software updates for both MetaMask and Ledger to stay protected against vulnerabilities. If you run into issues, like network errors, try restarting your devices or checking your internet connection. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and hit the bell icon. Stay safe out there in the Web3 world. See you in the next video.